Hello, we're doing a video today. It's an unboxing of some Rough Country shocks. We'll take a look. Okay, it says made in Mexico. Top is, as you can see, it says top, which is up this direction up here. These are, I believe, N3 shocks made by Rough Country. Pretty heavy duty. Nice silver color, nice paint. Or you can read that. Okay, let's take a look at the rest. Another one is identical to it. Two shocks. Put it back in the cover. They give us a couple of Rough Country stickers. Rough Country Premium Shock Absorbers. N3. That's the model numbers of what they are. They also give you little spacers to put in them if it's the wrong size. We got two sets. And the shocks, they cost $99 each. No, $99 a pair, plus tax and shipping. Also have the boots to go with them. They're like $5.99 a piece or something. I picked out the red as the color I wanted. It also has the ring here that tightens up on the bottom end. There's not a whole lot of those. They're both just the same. As you can see, they're going one for each side. Like I said, these are made by Rough Country Suspension Systems. They're I think a pretty good outfit. We'll get them on here in a while, a few days, and see how it goes. Hopefully, it won't be too bad. Well, there you go. Give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.